Hello everyone, welcome to my action research pitch. In my action research pitch, what I want to do is I start out with a general topic and I wonder how can I incorporate education into game, and then I narrow my topics down into what if I want to do this. If I want to teach game programming, how should I teach that through the use of game? After thinking for a while, and then I come up with the idea of actually to play the players play the game while learning it. So playing game while learning to make one is what I thought to be a great idea. So if someone just playing a game or someone curious how to make one, they can just play this game, and by the time they complete the game, they can actually make one. Isn't that gonna be wonderful? Well, yeah, I would think so. The idea is that I'm gonna use 2D game as a game to bring this research to life. So the game gonna be in 2D platformer, meaning it's similar to the 2D Super Mario Bros. Or 2D side scrolling in conjunction with 2D isometric to teach game programming while the player plays the game. So in this game, the player can actually rotate between the 2D side scroller into isometric to solve some of the puzzles or objectives. Talking about the objectives, how can I using the objectives that the player has to achieve in game in order to pass a certain requirement in the game in order to advance to the next level? I'm gonna use that to actually to have a video lecture or some kind of exercise questions that the player has to answer correctly or understand the materials in order to achieve that objective. So in order, let's say the player has to collect a key. Before collecting the key, the player has to fight the enemy. After fighting enemy, there's some kind of lock or key or some kind of mechanisms that the player has to unlock that first. In order to unblock that, the player has to answer the exercise question correctly. And in order to answer the exercise question correctly, the player has to watch the video lecture or understanding that particular material that's trying to teach the player. So by the time the player answers the questions correctly, the mechanism will open up and the player will be able to collect the key and advance to the next level. Here is the example of the game might look like. It's 2D side scroller, but when you switch the side, it becomes the isometric view, which is similar to like Final Fantasy perspective, like one or two, some sort of that perspective. So in the end, by the time the player finish, um, the player will enjoy playing the game, but at the same time, they will know how to make one. So this is what I think is one stone can kill two birds. So that's my action research that I'm gonna do. So hopefully I will be succeed at doing that. Thank you for watching.